warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my lecturer. Okay, I would like to say thank you for your coming my other presentation. Okay, today I will presentation about managing knowledge.
Okay guys, the name member of group is I am Cutmuazina, Kartika Alvira, Zahara, Sylvia Maharani, and the last Muhammad Nuriansyah.
Table of contents. The first, the knowledge management landscape. The second, knowledge work system. The third, enterprise-wide knowledge management system. The fourth, intelligent technique.
I will explain about knowledge management landscape. First, knowledge management system among fastest growing areas of software investment. Second, information economy. 37 US labor force, knowledge and information works, and 45 US GDP from knowledge and information sector. Third, substantial part of a firm's stock market value is related to intangible asset, knowledge, brand, reputation, and unique business process. First, will execute knowledge visit project and product extraordinary are you. Fourth, important dimension of knowledge, and one knowledge is a firm asset. Intangible creativity of knowledge from data information requires organic researches as it is shared experiences network effect. Two, knowledge as different from may be explained, documented, or tested. Residing in means to know how, track skill, how to follow products, and knowing why things happen, casualty. Six, important dimension of knowledge. One, knowledge as a location, cognitive event, both social and individual, sticky, hard to move, situated, and measured informs culture and contextual work on in current situation. To knowledge is situation now. Conditional, knowing when to apply product, and contextual, knowing circumstances to ask control, and seven, to transfer information in knowledge from must expand additional researches to discover patterns, rules, and context where knowledge works.
Okay, I will continue the discussions presented by Muhammad Nuriansyah. The next point is their wisdoms. Wisdom, collective and individual experience of applying knowledge to solve problems, involve where, when, and how to apply knowledge. Knowing how to do things effectively and efficiently in ways others can duplicate is prime source of profit and competitive advantage. For example, having a unique build to order production systems. Organizational learning, process in which organizations learned, gains experience through collections of data, measurement, trial and error, and feedback. Adjust behavior to reflect experience. Create new business process, change patterns of management decision making. Knowledge management, set of business process development in an organization to create, store, transfer, and apply knowledge. Knowledge management value chains. Each stage adds a value to raw data in information as they are transformed into usable knowledge. Knowledge acquisitions, knowledge storage, knowledge disseminations, knowledge applications. Knowledge management value chains. Knowledge acquisitions. Documenting text and explicit knowledge, storing document, reports, presentations, best practice. Unstructured document, developing online expert networks. creating knowledge, tracking data from TPS and external sources. Knowledge storage, database, document management system, role of management. In role of management, edit 3 point. Number 1, support developing of plain knowledge storage systems. Second, encourage development of corporate-wide system for indexing documents. Last, reward employees for taking time to update and store document properly. Knowledge disseminations, portals, wikis, email, instant messaging, search engine, collaboration tools, a dialogue of informations. What dialogue of informations? In dialogue of informations, training programs, informal networks, and shared management experience help manager focus attentions on important informations. Knowledge applications. To provide return of investment, organizational knowledge must become systematic part of management decision making and become situated in decision support systems. In knowledge applications, and it's 3 point. Number 1, new business practice. Second, new product and service. 3, new market. Last point, organizational roles and responsibility. Chief Knowledge Officer Executive, dedicated staff or knowledge managers, communities of practice, COPs, informal social network of professionals and employees within and outside firm who have similar work-related activities and interests. Activities include educations, online newsletter, sharing experience and techniques, facilitate reuse of knowledge discussions, reduce learning curve of new employees.
Okay, the next presentation is me. 3 major types of knowledge in enterprise. The first, structured document, report, presentation, and formula rules. The second, semi-structured document, email and video. The third, unstructured tacit knowledge. Okay, 80% of an organization business content is semi-structured or unstructured. Enterprise content management system, help capture, store, retrieve, distribute, preserve, document, report, and best practice. Semi-structured knowledge, email. Bring in external source, new feeds and research. Tools for communication and collaboration, blogs, wiki, and so on. Enterprise content management system, CAP problem, developing taxonomy. Knowledge object must be tagged with categories for retrieval. The digital asset management system, specialist, content management system for classifying story, managing unstructured, and digital data. Photographs, graphic, video, and audio. Knowledge network system. Provide online directory of corporate experts in well-defined knowledge domain. Search tool enable employees to find appropriate expert in a company. HiveMind as me includes repositories of expert-generated content. Some knowledge networking capabilities include in leading enterprise content management and collaboration product. Collaboration and social tools, social bookmarking, sharing and tagging bookmarks. Taxonomies, user-created taxonomies for teaching. Example, Delicious, Slashdot, and Pinterest. Learning Management System, LMC. Provide tool for management delivery, tracking, and assessment of various types of employee learning and training. Support multiple modes of learning, CD-ROOM, web-based classes, online forums, live interaction, and so on. Automate selection and administration of course, assembles and delivers learning content, and measures learning effectiveness.
Okay, I will continue the presentation about knowledge work systems. Systems for knowledge workers to have great knowledge and integrate that knowledge into business. The next is knowledge workers. For example, is researchers, designers, architects, scientists, engineers who create knowledge for the organizations. There are 3 key roles for knowledge workers. The first is keeping organization current in knowledge. The second is serving as internal consultants regarding their areas of expertise. And the last is acting as change agents, evaluating, initiating, and promoting change projects. The next is requirements of knowledge work system. First is sufficient computing power for graphics, complex calculations. The second is powerful graphics and analytical tools. The third is communications and document management. The fourth is access to external databases. The fifth is user-friendly interfaces. And the last one is optimized for tasks to be performed or design engineering and financial analysis. The next is examples of knowledge work systems. First is CAD or computer-aided design. There is creation of engineering or architectural designs and 3D printing. The second is virtual reality systems. There is simulate real-life environments, 3D medical modeling for surgeons, augmented reality or AR systems, and VRML. The last is investment workstations. Streamline investment process and consolidate internal, external data for brokers, traders, and portfolio managers.
Okay, my name is Silvia Maharani. I will explain about intelligent techniques used to capture individual and collective knowledge and to extend knowledge base. To capture tacit knowledge, expert system, case-based reasoning, fuzzy logic, knowledge discovery, neural network, and data mining. Generating solution to complex problem, genetic algorithm, automating text, intelligent against. 2. Artificial intelligence or AI technology, computer-based system that emulate human behavior. 3. Expert system, capture basic knowledge in very specific and limited domain of human expertise, capture knowledge of skill and place a set of rules in software system that can be used by others in organization. Typically perform limited tasks that may take a few minutes or hours, for example, diagnosing malfunction, making, determining whether or to grant credit for loan, used for discrete, highly structured decision making. For how expert system work, knowledge-based set of hundreds of thousands of rules, difference against strategy used to search knowledge base, forward chaining and backward chaining. 5. Successful expert system. Conway transportation build expert system to automate and optimize planning of overnight shipment routes for nationwide freight trucking business. 6. Most expert system deal with problem of classification, have relatively few alternative outcomes, possible outcome are known in advance. 7. Many expert systems require lengthy and expensive development and maintenance efforts. Hiring or training more experts may be less expensive. 8. Case-based reasoning or CBR, description of past experience of human specialists, stored in knowledge-based system search for case with characteristics similar to new one and apply solution of all case to new case. Successful and unsuccessful application are grouped with case. To organizational intelligent knowledge base is continuous, expand and refine by years. CBR found in medical diagnosis system. Next, fuzzy logic system, rule-based technology that represents impressions used in linguistic categories, provides solution to problem requiring expertise that is difficult to represent with its dense rules of the focus in camera detecting possible medical form. Next, making learning. How computer program improve performance without explicit programming. Contemporary example, Google Search recommender system on Amazon Netflix. Next, neural network. Find patterns and relationship in massive amount of data to complicate for humans to analyze. Then pattern to base searching for relationship, building model and correcting over and over again. Next, genetic algorithm. Useful for finding optimal solution for a specific problem by examining very large number of possible solutions for that problem. Conceptual based on process evolution. Search among solution variable batching and recurring component parts using process such as inheritance, mutation, and selection. Use in optimization problem and able to evaluate many solution alternatives quickly. Next, intelligent agents work without direct human intervention to carry out specific, repetitive, and predictable tasks for use process or application. Deleting junk email feeding keeps over, use limited built-in or learned knowledge. Again, basic modeling application or system of automated again model behavior of consumer stock markets and supply chains used to predict spread of epidemics. And last, hybrid L system. Genetic algorithm, fuzzy logic, neural network, and expert system integrate into single application to take advantage of best repeater of edge. For example, Matsushita neuropathy washing making that combines the fuzzy logic with neural network.
Okay everyone, I think that's all and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.